Hi everyone, my name is Sama, and let's get started with today's LeetCode question 1657, guys. And it is comes under the string topic. It is marked as medium, and yeah, let's try to understand the question first. Uske baad we will get into the intuition, then we will write the algorithm, and finally we will code it. Okay, guys. So let me share my screen first. Like what we have to do is like we have to find whether the two strings are equal or not, like after performing the two conditions. Okay, conditions kya kya hai? uh, okay, like whether you can transform one string to another string with the help of given two condition. If you can transform it, then it is fine, it is true. Otherwise it is false. So two condition kya hai? First condition is swap. Okay, first condition is that you can swap to given a character in the same string. Okay, second condition is that like you can also transform one given character with the another character having the same frequencies or different frequencies. For example, if there is a there is a character, there is a string like a c b b. Okay, now you want to transform c to b. Okay, then then the second operation would be like a c a b C, C. Okay. So here I'm converting the C to B and B to C. So all the occurrences of B is converted to C and all the occurrences of C is converted to B. This is the second operation. And the first operation is simply just swap it, one character to another character of in a given string. Okay. So we have to find whether the two strings are same or not after performing the certain two operations. Okay. So let me dry run it first with one given test case. So first test case, let me check is that C A B B B A. Another one is A B B C C C. We use the first operation, like if we want to swap it, like I'm swapping A to B. So C A B B B. Okay. So after that, I will use the second operation. So for that, what I will do is I will convert C to B. So here the C will convert to B, A, and all the B's are converted to C, C, C. So 3C is there, 1B is there, 2A is there. Here 3C is there, it is fine. 1A is there and 2B is there. Now what I will do is I will convert B to A. Okay, so A is converted to B is converted to A, and all both the B's, both the occurrence of A is converted to B, B, C, C, C. So this is equal to this one. So I will return false. Okay. So now like what my intuition, like let's find the intuition, like how we are came up with this solution. Okay. So first thing is that the length of both the strings should be same. If one of the string is different, so we can't convert one string to another string using the given operation. Okay. So first thing is clear. Key length of given string should be equals to length of another string. Okay. Second condition is that key characters of each string should be defined. For example, in the first string, how many characters are there? So there is A, B, and C. These are the characters in the given string A, word A. And if we see in the second string, A, B, C, there are also three characters over there. So we also have to ensure that the characters should be same, like the there should be unique characters in both the words. There should not be different character. For example, here D is there, and suppose here D is not there. Okay, they suppose Z is there, so we can't make both the elements same. So you should be so it should so make sure that both the word should consist of the same characters. Okay, we are not dealing with the occurrence right now. We are just dealing with the unique characters in both the arrays, both in both the strings, both the words. Okay. Now our third case is that third case would be that the frequency of the given character should be equal. Okay, for example, if we take this example, okay, let me find the frequency of this string. C is repeated one time, A is repetitive two times, and B is repetitive three times. Okay, for this word, for this string, A is repetitive one time, C is repetitive three times, and B is repetitive two times. So we also have to ensure that the frequency of the string of the character should be equal to the frequency of the other character. But we should not consider, but we should not uh, uh, deal with ki, like C should equals to 1. So similarly, in the other words, C should also equals to 1. We just have to ensure is that the frequency, like 1, 2, 3 is there. Similarly here, 1, 2, 3 should be there in any order. Okay. The frequency of given character should be equal to the frequency of the other given character. But it doesn't mean that the frequency of the same character is equal to the frequency of the same character in the other word. Okay. So this is the thing. Like it should be like 1, 2, 3. Here it also should be 1, 2, 3. It should not be like 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this is the third condition. Okay. Means occurrence of occurrence of given character should be equal to the occurrence of another given character. Means frequency should be equal. Okay. Like 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2. It should be equal in both the words. Okay. So this is the three conditions. With this, like we are able to solve it. Okay. So now, hmm, just give me some. Let me slide it. Yeah. So what I will do is first, like, let's start with our function. I suppose f is the function, and word one and word two are the two given word. We have to check whether the two words are same or not. So first condition is that if length of word one is not equals to length of word two, so just simply return false. Second, I will check. Second, what I will do is I will then create a two frequency vector, frequency 1 and frequency 2 vector, where I am storing the frequency of all the characters of the word 1, okay, in the given frequency. So suppose if we take this one and this one, so first string has, and what I will do is I will find the index for the given character. So the frequency vector should be 26 size. Similarly, frequency vector 2 should also be 26 size. So suppose here A's count is 1, 1, B's count is 3, and C's count is 1. A's count is 2, okay. B count is 3, C count is 1. For the second word, A count is 1, B's count is 2, and C's count is 3. Okay, okay. After that, what I will do is I will short both the frequencies. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 3. Okay, then I will check if frequency f1 vector is equals to f2 vector. If it is equal, then just simply return true, otherwise return false. Because like if the frequency of both the strings was same 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then we can easily convert the given character to another character, okay, with the given conditions. But here suppose if there is a different frequency, for example here the frequency of C is 4 and here frequency of C is 3, then we are not able to convert it. Okay, so this is the or second case is suppose if there is one more character having frequency of 2 and here there is no character, then we can also not able to make both the string as same. So this is the logic, like what I'm getting. Now let's get started with the coding approach. And here, if we think about the time and space complexity, so time complexity is order of n because we are traversing till the length of the given word. So order of n is the length of the word, and the space complexity is order of one, like order of 26. We are taking 26 space, constant space. So the space complexity is order of one. Okay, so let's get started with the coding part. So yep, let's first find the length of the both the words. Int m is equal to word one dot int. word to dot length. After that, I will find the frequency. I will declare to frequency vector. Here by default, both the size, like value of all the 26 size is initialized with 0. Okay. Now I will store it into the given frequency, like all the frequency of a given word into that given frequency vector. First, I will find the index. First, I will take the given string int uh, in character 1 equals to word 1 I, char ch2 is equal to word 2 I. After that, I will find the index of the particular character. For that, what I will do is I will just simply ch1 minus a. So it will find the index for the given character. So here, suppose if our character is b, and we have to find the index of the b character. So b minus a equals to 1. A is 0, b is 1. So like b minus 1, 1 minus 0, 1. So our index for the given b is 1. idx 2. Similarly for the second character, for the similarly for the character of the second string, ch2 minus a. Okay. Now what I will do is I will store it into my frequency. idx plus plus frequency to idx 2 plus plus. And I will check here, like if m is not equals to n, just simply return false. Okay. Now here, after storing the frequency, now I will check for the given two conditions. Okay. So for and I equals to 0, I less than 26, I plus plus. If frequency 1 of I is not equals to frequency 2 dot I, the frequency 1 of I is not equals to 0, and frequency 2 of I is not equals to 0, then just simply continue. Also, if frequency 1 of I equals to 0, and then frequency 2 of I equals to 0, also continue. Otherwise, return false. And at final, return frequency 1 equals to frequency 2. Okay, so here I'm checking key for the given frequency index. If it is not equals to 0, and also for the second, if it is also not equals to 0, then we just simply continue it. Okay. And after that, yep, there is one more condition. Now we have to sort it. Okay. So sort begin frequency 1 and frequency 2. Begin frequency 1 and frequency 2, because then only the all the frequencies of the given character should be in the order. Okay. Then we will check whether the frequency 1 array of frequency 1 is equals to frequency 2. If it is true, then simply return true, otherwise return false. So this is the complete logic. Let me run it. Run frequency 1 equals to frequency 2. Yep. Let me submit it. So our code got accepted, and here's a like here space complexity is order of constant, because we are taking the constant variable vector 26 of size, and we are traversing it for loop. So order of n or m. Okay. So yeah, this is all about today's question. I hope you enjoyed it, like this question and like this approach. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.